Hit me.
Alright. So you have the inside part of your twister here. Your the thing that spins a bunch. That's like the fixed part. And then on the outside you have something in orbit, or like acting as like a bearing, spinning around it. And then going up the funnel from the inside part, up the funnel wall, you have this string that goes up. And then also you have a string coming out from the artificial piece, the thing that's spinning, and you better not have a filter on this.
You're not selling me, bro.
Alright, just shut the fuck up and listen.
No, you're laughing at your own thing.
No. Alright, so you have the string come up from your artificial bearing, or whatever it is that's also spinning around it in orbit, or whatever's spinning around.
Wait, are there natural bearings?
Probably have organic bearings.
It could be like a natural bearing. I mean, that's something that we just need to do more.
Talking like a bearing, like in a wheel?
Okay.
Oh, okay, I was like...
No. Yeah, kind of like in a wheel, yeah. Something's just spinning around it. And then you have a string coming from the outside part of that, but that's artificial, but you also have your, I don't know if you would consider that like organic, your just natural inside fixed object. And you have two strings come out. But on the outside of your artificial object, you have basically kind of a wheel. This is a model that would definitely need work. You could probably build it outwards, like fold the funnel over in on itself maybe. But if you pull this string, or when you have your fixed object here, and you have your artificial one, if you spin your artificial one more than your fixed object, that's connected here to also your artificial object, or to your your fixed object, whatever points that's right here in the middle, that's going to move at a different kind of angle. And that would kind of, with something like that, you could probably, with like the right kind of triangulation, you could probably make something that would do like those 90-degree angle turns. I mean, like, you know how they're talking about like it would take half the state of Oklahoma, like flying at these crazy speeds.
Wait, not Ohio?
No, okay. Well, we can do Ohio. It would take half the state of Ohio. Well, okay. Oklahoma,
I'm uploading this
Ohio.
on my YouTube.
Maybe
I'm gonna have 10,000 subscribers by far.
But listen, half the state of Oklahoma to turn an SR-71 Blackbird on a 90-degree turn, right?
I'm back on track.
Okay, yeah. Well, I'll get to Ohio. Okay. But in order for that plane to be able to make a full 90-degree turn, it would take about half the state of Oklahoma, I've heard. So then, if you were able to turn this artificial point, and then like demand your fixed, the string connected to your fixed point on here, and you were able to demand it to move separately while also still in motion, you would be able to make it, you know, I think you could make that point move on demand, and it'd be, I think it'd work out. I'm gonna have to send that to Musk.
What about Ohio?
So what's going on in Ohio is the chemicals that we need, they just got burnt up in East Palestine, Ohio. So we need more of those chemicals. The poly,
Stuff in your debit card.
the stuff in my debit card, money. We need that so that way we can build our spacecraft or whatever it is that we're gonna be doing here, because they cut off our shipment that was coming from over there, and it derailed, and so now we need more.
I'm sold, and I say that sarcastically, but in 2 years we find out Evan's totally
they
right.
didn't want me to create this project, and
this is Evan's.
This
they're
isn't
turning the
conspiracy
frogs
theory.
gay moment.
my gay moment. I'm coming up, man.
No, not your gay moment. This is your they're turning the frogs gay moment.
Oh, yeah, well, the frogs in Ohio are a little different.
Yeah, they're all fucking dead now.
They got toxic, man.
They got toxic. Yeah, the toxic masculinity killed all the frogs.
They were doing too much.
They listened to too much Andrew Tate.
Fuck, man. Cut that shit off. That's it, man. We need our chemicals back.
That's
from East
Evan's
Palestine.
Evan's evening shark.
This is